Good morning, Meadowbrook. My name is Malachi Johnson.
And I'm Emma Jackson.
And this is your morning news for Tuesday, November 9th. Let's begin with the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge of allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now for a moment of silence. Thank you. Here's a look at today's forecast. Today will be mostly sunny with a high of 73 degrees and a low of 45 degrees. Tomorrow will be a high of 71 degrees and partly cloudy with a low of 45 degrees.
Don't forget to complete your daily self-assessment. Are you more tired than usual? Feeling hotter or colder than normal? Do you have any headaches or body aches? Do you have any cough or sore throat or nausea? Have you noticed the taste and change of smell? If you experience any of these symptoms, please stay home and don't come to school if you feel sick.
For Chromebook Assistance, please visit the help desk between 12:40 and 1:40 daily. It is across from the clinic beside room 200, but make sure you have a pass from a teacher.
It's College and Career Month. We'll be celebrating all month long with fun facts and a variety of activities. Chesterfield Technical Center will be hosting their annual open house on December the 4th. Students of all ages are invited with their families to explore the learning spaces and meet instructors. Go to www.thetechcenterinfo for more information.
This week is Global Entrepreneurship Week. Today from 9:25 to 9:50 a.m., there was a grab-and-go breakfast in TC Commons during Pride Time. The breakfast was sponsored by Points and our Maid families, so thank you. During Third Block today, Mr. Elliot Eddy, creator of the Entrepreneurship Game, will be here talking to our freshmen and juniors.
Attention seniors. On Wednesday, November the 17th, there will be a senior class social during Pride Time. Only seniors who have paid their dues will be able to attend this event. Please make sure payments are due to Ms. Sowers.
Makeup pictures for grades 9 through 11 and faculty staff will be all day next week, Thursday, November 18th, in the auxiliary gym. Students will need a pass to leave class to take their photos. You must sign up for makeup photos by next Monday, November 15th. Ask your English teacher for the link to the Google Form sign-up sheet. Find it in the description box under this video, or contact Ms. Macauley at her email address in the description box. All students and faculty are encouraged to take a photo so that we can include all members of the MBK community in the yearbook. If you have any questions, please see Ms. Macauley in room 420, but not during class or without a pass.
Boys varsity and JV basketball tryouts will be held through November the 10th. Contact Coach Bryant if you have any questions. Wrestling practice is every day after school until 6 p.m. The wrestling team is also looking for a few managers to help Coach Reilly at practices and meets. The position will earn the manager of varsity letter. Contact Coach Reilly with any questions. Swim practices will be held Monday through Thursday from 6:45 a.m. to 7:45 a.m. at Swim RVA. Contact Coach Holland if you have any questions. Girls basketball tryouts and practices start at 4 p.m. Contact Coach Connor with any questions. Indoor practice has started. Practices start at 3:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. Be sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day and be at the track by 3:25 p.m. You must have a completed physical with all paperwork and be academically eligible to participate in any of these sports. You can find the email address of the coaches just mentioned in the description box under this video.
After school today, the show choir is meeting from 5:30 to 7 p.m. The academic team is meeting from 3 to 4:15 p.m. in room 820. Tomorrow during Monarch Morning, the men's choir is meeting in room 703, and the international dance team is meeting in room 705. After school tomorrow, the French Club will meet in room 707 from 3:05 to 4 p.m. They will elect officers and make lavender rice sachets. Dues are $5. The Japanese drumming practice will take place every Wednesday from 3:05 to 5 p.m. in room 904. Dues are $10, and they are still accepting new members until the end of November. If you have any questions, email Ms. Fukuma at the address in the description box.
On Wednesday, November the 10th, ninth graders will be taking the PSAT. Ninth graders should double check who their homeroom teacher is because some homerooms have been changed. We will be following a different bell schedule for that day. First period will be shortened. For 10th, through 12th graders, there will be some classrooms that have been changed to your classes. Check with your teachers to know more about these changes ahead of time so that you know where to be sent.
Attention seniors and juniors, Herff Jones representatives will be here from Tuesday, December 14th for a family order night from 4 to 7 p.m. They will be taking additional senior class orders and additional junior class ring orders. The family order night scheduled for November 17th is fully booked, so they've added December 14th to allow students and parents to book an appointment prior to the expiration of their early discount pricing on December 15th. Students and parents can review all Herff Jones products by going to hjvirginia.com. The link will be in the description box under this video. Students and parents can book an appointment time to order on the website, and a confirmation email will be sent to all appointments made.
Students and staff are invited to bring new or gently used coats for the Coats for Kids drive, sponsored by the Student Council. They can bring coats all day until November the 22nd. This is a grade level contest. The grade level who collects the most coats will get a treat from the Student Council. Freshmen drop off their coats with Mr. Scott in room 410. Sophomores drop off their coats with Mr. Reynolds in room 504, Juniors drop off with Ms. Vames in room 401. And seniors drop off with Mr. Freeman in room 422.
The Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine is now available for children 5 to 11 at the Chesterfield Health District's Community Vaccination Center, located in the Rockwood Shopping Center at 10161 Hull Street Road in Midlothian. The CVC is open Monday through Saturday from 10 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Parents who wish to get their children vaccinated should make an appointment at vaccinate.virginia.gov or call 877-VAX-IN-VA.
For lunch today, we're having chicken and waffle baskets with syrup, fresh deli sub, baked sweet potatoes, fresh veggies, fresh fruit, and cup fruit, and milk or juice. And here's your joke of the day. How does the moon cut its hair? Eclipse it.
Remember to be present in every class and on time. Turn in assignments on time, and if you have any questions, ask your teachers.
Masks must be worn at all times in the correct manner, covering your nose and mouth. We should not be wearing any hoods, hats, or head coverings in the school building unless we have a religious exemption on file.
We should social distance as much as possible and go directly to class during transitions. Safety and health are our #1 priority.
And remember, Monarchs, we roar. We are respectful,
Organized,
accountable.
and responsible.
Have a great day, Monarchs.